Nollaig Shona, the Irish word for Merry Christmas. Christmas can be joyful, but it can also be hard. It may bring worries, family tensions, loneliness, grief, or financial pressure, alongside the feeling that we should be happy and festive at this time of year. Expectations often run high, the postcard picture of how things are meant to be, and that can be very painful and stir feelings of sadness and loss. This season, go gently with yourself, bringing a conscious awareness in to be gentle, awareness of the shoulds, noticing the small things and allowing gratitude where you can. If this is a particularly difficult time, know that you are not alone, that many feel like this. When tough emotions arise, give them space, breathe into it, and above all, be kind to yourself. Remind yourself, I'm doing the best I can. That may be the greatest kindness and gift you can give yourself this Christmas. At its core, perhaps this season is about love, and letting love gently in, to allow compassion, kindness and love to extend to the heart of yourself. Nollaig Shona, the Irish word for Merry Christmas. Beannacht in an Nollaig lib go léir. Christmas blessings to you all.